the last 12 years, we have moved 109 million bench cubic meters of rock and nickel material using Dello 400 product in our trucks without any oil-related engine failures.
We are here in Johannesburg, South Africa, inspecting a 30-liter, 12-cylinder Komatsu diesel engine that drives a Komatsu 785 mining haul truck operating 17 hours a day in a nickel mine in Botswana, Africa. It's accumulated 23,000 hours of operation using Caltex Dello 400 multigrade SAE 15W40 and Caltex extended life coolant.
Our trucks haul 90 tons of material up 10-degree haul roads in temperatures up to 35 degrees Celsius. For this reason, we need our oil and coolant to perform without failure.
For us, the most important aspect of it all, over and above the financial cost of the lubricant and even the repairs, is to keep the wheels turning. Uptime and reliability is absolutely everything.
Now we're taking a look at the pistons. First thing we look at is the top of the crowns, and we can see no deposits, indicating good oil consumption control. In addition, we take a look at the rings. They're free moving. This indicates good power and compression control. Next, we'll take a look at the lands. We look at the top land, and it has minimal deposits on it. Second and third lands look pretty good. Next, we take a look at the undercrown. So you can see here there's no deposits under the undercrown, indicating great heat transfer control. We're now going to inspect the piston liners. First thing we want to do is check for the presence of a wear step. As I run my finger across these, I can't feel a wear step, which indicates good oil protection. The next thing we want to do is take a look at the crosshatch on the inside of the liner. I can see clear crosshatching here, even after 23,000 hours of operation, indicating great oil consumption control. This engine has two cams, and as we inspect them, we can see on the lobes, they're just highly polished, limited wear, in really good condition. And as we take a look at the rollers, same thing. So you can see here, highly polished, a little bit of scratches, and there's no play between the roller and the pin. These parts are in great condition. We can put them back in the engine. Connecting rod bearings, as you can see on the unloaded side, very minimal wear. They look in pretty good condition. On the loaded side, as you can see, there is a slight amount of wear, but considering this is 23,000 hours of operation, they're in pretty good shape. Looking at the main bearings, this is the unloaded side. As you can see, there is some discoloration, but in general, there is no major wear removal. These bearings look pretty good. On the loaded side, as you can see, we do have a little bit of wear showing here in copper. However, considering the amount of hours past normal rebuild, Dello 400 Multigrade has done a great job of protecting these bearings.
All of our equipment in Millmans runs on extended life coolant. If you don't use it with the type of water we have out there, with regards to your engines, you're doomed.
Now let's take a look at the water pump. As you can see here, this is a cast iron impeller, and as you inspect it, there's no cavitation, no rust, no pitting. This is in fantastic shape. You actually can put this part back into the engine. If we take a look at the water pump seal, you can see it's just clean here, smooth. There's no cavitation, no pitting, no abrasion. This is in fantastic shape. These two can go right back into the engine. We're now going to take a look at the outside of the piston liner. As you can see, there's no silicate or water scale buildup or any kind of rust or corrosion. This indicates excellent protection being provided by Caltex extended life coolant.
Replacement value of all of the equipment that Millmans has at present is over 10 billion rand. Now, you know, if you don't get your act together to make sure you're maintaining that equipment to maximum performance, you'll have a problem. So we see Caltex and our relationship with Caltex and their product as integral to our own performance.
After inspecting the parts from this engine, it is clear that the combination of the Komatsu diesel engine with good maintenance practices and the use of Caltex Dello 400 multigrade SAE 1540 and Caltex extended life coolant has provided Millmans the reliability and uptime they require to mine nickel ore profitably in Botswana, Africa.
Wherever we go in Africa, our first port of call when it comes to oils, lubes, we ask for Caltex.
So Dello 400 and the Caltex Extended Life Coolant really does the job for us.
Dello 400 helps our mining fleet go further.